Hello everyone from Alice. Maintenance before operating the machine is important to keep it in good condition. In this video, I will introduce maintenance before daily operation. Firstly, I will introduce the Collect maintenance. These tools are necessary for Collet maintenance and are included in DWX-43W. If you use them, prepare a piece of dry cloth separately. Open vPanel, select the machine to operate and click this icon. This window will be displayed, so remove the workpiece and jig if they are attached. Click Next. Then the machine starts preparing for Collet maintenance. When this window is displayed, you can start maintenance. Press the Collet replacement jig against the Collet and insert the Collet tap. Then, rotate the Collet replacement jig. After removing the collet, clean the inside of the spindle with the cleaner. If there are much dirt around the spindle, such as milling waste, the machine might not work properly. Clean the outside of the removed collet with a dry cloth. And clean inside of the removed collet with collet brush. After cleaning the removed collet, apply a thin layer of grease to the tapered part of the outer diameter of the removed collet and spindle head. Then put the collet to the spindle head. Also, follow the same procedure when you replace the collet. Finally, wipe the dummy pin with a dry cloth. And collet maintenance is finished. When the front cover is closed, the coolant flow check will start. Click Next. Then the coolant is applied to the dummy pin. If you can visually check that coolant is applied to the middle of the dummy pin, put a check mark and click Next. If the coolant is not properly applied to the dummy pin, click Next without putting a check mark. Check the coolant amount, coolant nozzle clogging, and coolant filter clogging. After checking them, follow the same process again. If the coolant flow rate is still insufficient, contact your authorized DGSHAPE dealer. Thank you for listening and watching our video. If you need further assistance, contact us through the live chat on DGSHAPE.com. Our team is ready to help. Also, remember to follow our social media accounts. DGSHAPE, your needs our focus.